Good morning, room service. Harvey speaking. How can I help you? May I get your name and your room number, sir? Thank you for that information, Mr. Rapada. Can I get your order, sir? Mr. Rapada, would you like your egg in a sunny side up or scrambled? Mr. Rapada, if you order deep fried pork chop with rice and sunny side up egg in water. Mr. Rapada, your order will be delivered to room 15 in 20 minutes. Thank you. Room service. Room service. Good morning, Mr. Rapada. Here's your breakfast. Where would you want your food to be placed?
Please just put it in food. Thank you.
Here's your deep fried pork chop with sunny side up and water. Is there anything else that you need?
No thanks. I'm good.
Mr. Rapada, here's your bill. May I have your signature?
Yeah, sure. Here you go.
You can put the tray outside the door when you're done, or you can call the room service to clear. Enjoy your meal, Mr. Rapada.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Thank you.